Grain markets were able to halt the recent slide lower with higher closes pretty much across the board in today's trade. At the close, March corn futures were 4.25 cents higher to settle at 4.59 and a quarter. March soybean futures finished today just 3 cents higher to 12.48 and a half, but that was about 15 cents off of the early morning low. March Chicago wheat futures were the leader to the upside today, settling 13.75 cents higher to 6.10 even. Potential short covering and positioning ahead of this week's reports may have been a catalyst for some of today's strength. Now, speaking of reports, a lot of estimates starting to roll in for that. The average analyst estimate for the U.S. 2023 corn and soybean production number is little changed from what we saw in the previous report, as attention probably going to be heavy on South American production. The average analyst estimate for soybean production in Brazil comes in at 156.26 million tons. That's down from the December USDA estimate of 161, but still above other analyst estimates, which have Brazilian production closer to 150 million tons. Now, needless to say, this will be one of the more notable data points in Friday's report. The average analyst estimate for soybean production in Argentina comes in at 48.87 million tons, up slightly from the December report. The most recent Commitment to Traders report showed managed money, often referred to as funds, holding their largest net short position in corn and soybeans since 2020.